morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vishwaraj Lal, Faculty of Biotechnology, Jamshedpur Women's College, Jamshedpur. Today we will discuss about blood, compositions and function. In this, we will discuss introductions, properties of blood, compositions of blood, composition of plasma, blood glucose, blood cholesterol, blood proteins, and their functions. So, blood is bright red colored fluid connective tissues. It consists of a straw colored fluid plasma in which various cells or corpuscles are present. Plasma constitutes the non-living part and is about 55% of total blood. Its volume is about 6 to 7 liters in an adult human body. It is a slightly alkaline fluid having the pH 7.2 to 7.4. Arterial blood is more alkaline than the venous blood. This is the property of blood color: bright red in arteries and dark red in veins. Mass 8% of the body mass. pH slightly alkaline, pH 7.35 to 7.45. Taste salty. Temperature 38 degree centigrade or 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. Viscosity 3.3 to 4 times more viscous than water. Volume 5 to 6 liter. Next, we come to our compositions of blood. Divided into composition of blood is plasma and corpuscles. Plasma 55% and corpuscles 45%. Plasma, water 91%, solids 9%. In solids they are organic and inorganic. Organic 8% and inorganic 1%. Inorganic Ca++, Na+, Cl-, SCO3-, K+, Mg++, Cu+2 and PO4-. And organic, there is 7% plasma protein, albumin 55%, globulin 38%, fibrinogen 7% and prothrombin. And in 1% other substances, non-protein nitrogenous substance, enzymes, hormones and antibodies. The major portion of plasma is water, 91% approximately, in which various organic and inorganic substances 9% are dissolved, giving it a straw-colored appearance. Various inorganic components are in true molecular solutions: chlorides, bicarbonates, sulfates and phosphate of sodium, potassium, calcium, iron and magnesium. The organic components are protein, fibrinogen, albumin and globulin, glucose, amino acid, fats, urea, hormones, dissolved gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, antibodies and enzymes. Solution: isotonic to blood plasma are 0.9% NaCl, 5% glucose, 10% mannitol or 20% urea solutions. Blood glucose. Glucose is a nutritive substance of blood plasma and also of erythrocytes. It is added to blood by the adsorptions from intestinal villi. Liver stores glycogen, which is also broken down to glucose in the blood. A person has about 80 to 100 milligram of glucose per 100 ml of blood 12 hours after a meal. But this amount rises more, not exceeding beyond 180 milligram, soon after a carbohydrate-rich diet. However, the persistent high levels of glucose beyond this specified threshold value in the blood causes diabetes mellitus. If amount of glucose in blood rises beyond 180 milligram per 100 ml consistently, then glucose starts appearing in the urine. This condition is glucosuria. The amount of glucose in the blood is regulated by the interaction of two hormones, insulin and glucagon, released from the cells of islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. Blood cholesterol. Amount 50 to 180 milligram of cholesterol is present in 100 ml of blood. It is used for the synthesis of new cell membrane by the body tissues. Vitamin D steroid hormones, and bile salts. It is added to blood plasma by two ways. Liver synthesizes cholesterol and secretes it into the blood, and second, by the intestinal absorption of fats. Therefore, much intake of saturated fats like ghee and butter may increase the level of cholesterol in blood. Cholesterol and its esters are insoluble in water and so are deposited on the walls of arteries and veins. This leads to high blood pressures and other heart disorder. That is why doctor advise less intake of fats. Blood proteins. These are mainly three plasma proteins: albumin, globulin, and fibrogen. Their important functions are: they serve as a source of protein for the tissue cells. Second, these proteins may also be utilized for the formation of other cellular proteins. Third, albumin and globin can retain water in the blood plasma by their osmotic effects. That is why a person taking less protein in the diet suffers from oedema. This is because in those persons blood will show less proteins and consequently less intentions of water in the blood. Next, these proteins are also known to transport many substances such as thyroxine and ferric ions. Globulin protein may also globulin proteins may occur as immunoglobulins, and in this form they behave as antibodies. The antibodies activate the invading microorganisms and their toxins. Some globulins can convert soluble fibrogens into insoluble fibrin, thus helping in blood coagulations. Plasma protein acts as acid-base buffers and thus help to maintain the blood pH by neutralizing strong acid and base. They help to distribute heat all over the body and also conducting heat to skin for dissipations. So this is about properties of blood, compositions of blood, composition of plasma, blood glucose, blood cholesterol, blood proteins, and functions. Thank you.